So here we are having two variables. The first one is to store the score that is obtained by the student. In this case, in this example, for convenience, I have taken the value directly and the value is 85. And the next variable is to store the grade of the grade that we are going to allocate to the student. And the data type for this grade is char. It is to store a character. Okay, so now coming to our if else if implementation. Here the first if is going to decide whether the student is having the marks greater than or equal to 90 or not. If that is the case, if the student marks are greater than or equal to 90, then we are going to allocate a grade of A to the student. Now, how many options do we have? Here in this example, we are having three options. So the first option is to allocate grade A if the marks are greater than or equal to 90. Else if this is not true, what is the second option that is available? In order to consider our the second option, we have this else if statement. So far in our previous classes, we have seen if the two alternatives, if and else. Now, in order to have multiple options in our program, we have this else if statement, and within this else if statement, we are going to consider the second option. The second option is if the score of the student is greater than or equal to 80, which means if the student marks are in between 90 and 80. As this is false, means it is guaranteed that the student mark is going to be between 80 and 90. Let's see whether it is in between 80 and 90 or not. So the score is 85. So this is true. Means the score is greater than or equal to 80 is true. Now, if this is true, what is the grade that we are going to allocate? The grade that we are going to allocate is B. So with this, we are going to come out of this entire chain of if else if statements, and we are going to use that grade according to our requirement.